just flew straight to my little peepers.
Sort of thing. Okay.
Smack one. Joy, you hold on tight then.
Quality Street favourites, the food collection.
Want anything interesting?
Mama, can I buy a new race?
No, we're not buying any toys today, Jess. Okay. Well, we're going to see if we can find outside.
Stop. Just for a second. Because it's easy to get wrapped up in Christmas. But there are children who wake up on Christmas morning without anything under the tree. You can change that by helping Cash for Kids Mission Christmas. Whilst you're shopping in stores today, pick up an extra gift and drop it into the Mission Christmas.
Of course, yeah.
Cash for Kids Mission Christmas.
Skinny and crunch. Wow.
Yeah.
I might have to try one. Well, I can't buy you.
Look at these.
What are they?
Sour ones, like airheads, but more sour.
Yeah. Spearman. No. A bit smaller than the Costco tins, aren't they?
Tiny bit. Oh my goodness, yes. There you go. So much booze. I can remember Volker had booze, this is what was here before. Infinitely useful, those things, eh? What's winter like? Ribena?
Yeah, similar. I can't think of black currant.
Oh,
It's big.
that's huge, yeah?
Okay.
You done? Oh, there's more sweets here. Sorry, I thought it was a sweet owl. Oh, let's get out of here.